Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this crappy image look way more professional. So, as some of you know, I use the Canon EOS M a lot, and I try to get a good image out of it, which I think is very possible and easy to do. But as you can see right now, it looks terrible. So the first thing we're going to fix is the audio. So the microphone I use is this. It's a newer studio microphone, and I'm just going to plug this right into the side, and automatically you can hear that difference. It sounds way better. So now there is still a little bit of echo, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to hang a blanket up right next to me, right, because I'm in the corner of a room, so there's a bit of an echo. So I'm going to hang that right up here. Alright, so that might not have made that much of a difference, but it did make a little bit, and we're just trying to get as good as we can out of this camera. Alright, so now you might be able to tell that so this lighting is awful, and that's because I have one LED panel pointed straight at my face on max power. So all we're going to do is situate this lighting a little bit different, and it'll look a lot better very quick. So this one panel, we're going to face it right here, not pointed at our face, pointed away from our face, just so we can get a soft light onto the side profile of our face. The next is I have another LED panel. I'm just going to shine this full power up against the wall, just so I can get a little bit of fill light over here, and so it's not just dark and it fills in the other side of my face a little better. The next thing we're going to do is this, the Aperture M9. We're going to put this right behind our head, and there, now the lighting is a lot better. It looks a lot better, but there is one other thing, the depth of field. So I'm shooting at f10 right now, and I'm gonna fix that real quick. So there's no depth of field, the lighting is still a little, and that's because I'm at f10. And now it's overdone, so I can bring that ISO, which is 800 right now, I'm gonna bring that down a ton to fix this lighting monstrosity. So I brought the ISO down to 200, and you can tell it's automatically a lot better, and you can just see way more detail, and my face isn't blown out. And I have the shutter speed double the frame rate, so I'm shooting 24, so I'm going to shoot 50 as my shutter speed, and I have it on autofocus tracking on my face, so hopefully we won't lose any focus when I put my head around. So already it looks a lot better. And now you might be wondering, oh, it does look good, but there's really no color. So now we're gonna do some color grading. We're gonna apply a LUT right now, and hopefully that filled in a lot of the kind of blandish look you got. It shows right now. So right now, obviously it's not amazing like any pro filmmakers, but it's really good for what we've got. This setup right now is probably about $250 to $300, so you're running super budget, and the image is a lot better than what you could get. There's one other thing that could help you with framing and such, is if you wanted a onboard monitor, so you can actually see yourself in the camera, which I have right now. I'm looking at myself into a $50 monitor I found on Amazon. I made a video about it. It's really good for the price, and I would recommend it for beginners and desk videos like I'm doing right now. This is just my desk. So yeah, a monitor is something really good that you could get for cheap. All we're gonna do now is add some color to our shot. And right now behind us, the fill light we have back there is just set to blue, but as some of you know, with the Aperture M9, it does come with little gels you can put on top of your light to get a different warmer or colder color. These gels come with the Aperture M9 in that little pouch, and as you can see, when I place them in front, they either get colder or warmer. So I'm gonna put the cold gel on the light back here, and that adds a little color. Let's see if this is a good idea or a bad one. It's more than likely a bad idea, but we're just gonna test it to see. Alright, yeah. Alright, and that is the finished product. So this with the LUT on and all this, the lighting situated better, the camera settings right. Hopefully you guys are happy with this image like I am. This total setup is about $300. That's for the budget filmmaker. Of course, if you wanted to spend a lot more money, you could get a way better image out of this. Right now, I'm a budget filmmaker, and I think that this is good enough for what it is. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful, and I will check out some of our other content. I'll see you guys next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, ride.